Hello everyone. Today we were working on a problem from Chapter 7. Jim Leary, sales rep for Roy Co., has weekly earnings subject to deductions for Social Security, Medicare, and federal income tax. Before this payroll, Jim is $500 below the maximum for Social Security. He earns $920 for the week, claims 2 withholdings, and is married. The FICA rate is 6.2% on $110,100 for Social Security and 1.45% for Medicare. Using the percentage method, calculate his net pay. So we're going to break this problem into 3 parts. First, we're going to look at Social Security. Now, key things to note here are that Social Security, Jim is $500 below the maximum for Social Security. Now, what this means is that any that he earns in excess of $500 will not be taxed. So we note that he's made $920 for this week, but only $500 of that $920 is taxable. So we're going to take $500 times the Social Security rate of 6.2%, which comes up to be 0.062 in decimal format, and that'll give us $31 for Social Security tax deductions. Next, we're going to look at Medicare. Now, key things to note are that there are no upper limits for Medicare, so all $920 of his weekly earnings is subject to the 1.45% for Medicare. And what that means is we're going to take 920 times 0.0145, that's 1.45% in decimal format, and that'll give us $13.34. Now next, let's look at FIT, federal income tax. Now, key things to note are that he earns weekly earnings, that he is married, and he's claiming 2 withholdings. So first, we're going to take the 920, and we're going to go to the withholdings worksheet. Now, things to note that we're in the weekly row, and that he's claiming 2 withholding allowances. So what that means is we're going to take the 7308 times 2, and that comes out to be $146.16. So we're going to take 920 minus the withholdings of $146.16, and that gives us $773.84. Now we're going to take this number and go to the tax rate worksheet. Now note that we're in the weekly payroll period row, and we're in the married persons column. Now we're looking for the range in which this $773.84 will fall under, and we note that on row 2, the $490 to $1,515 is where it falls into. So the formula that we're going to be using to get his FIT is $33.40 plus the 15% of the excess over $490. So let's go back to the first page here. We're going to take the $773.84. We're going to subtract $490. All right, and that's going to give us $283.84. All right, and then we're going to take the $283.84 and multiply it by the tax rate of 15%, which is the 0.15, and that'll give us $42.58 plus the $33.40, the flat tax, and our total FIT will be $75.98. But we're still not done yet. They asked us for his net pay. So now we're going to have to take his weekly earnings of $920 and subtract out all the deductions. So we're going to take $920, subtract 31 from it, subtract $13.34 from it, and subtract $75.98 from it. And that will give us $799.68. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel at UAB Collat School of Business and like us on Facebook at UAB Collat Tutor Lab. Thank you.